Within the celestial realm of Christian angelology, a trio of archangels emerges, each with a distinct role in the divine order. Archangel Michael, known as the chief or leading angel, embodies strength and courage as a warrior against the forces of darkness. His unwavering loyalty and the very name Michael, meaning who is like God, signify his resolute commitment to the divine. Meanwhile, Archangel Raphael, whose name translates to God heals, stands as a compassionate and healing force, offering solace and guidance to those in need. In the intricate tapestry of celestial beings, Archangel Gabriel takes the forefront as a herald and messenger, delivering pivotal divine revelations and bridging the celestial and earthly realms. Together, these three archangels, Michael, Raphael, and Gabriel, form a powerful trio within Christian theology. Their collective significance is magnified by their roles as warriors, healers, and messengers respectively, contributing to the rich spiritual narrative of Christianity. This angelic trio is often regarded as the second most powerful ensemble after the Holy Trinity, symbolizing divine strength, healing grace, and celestial communication within the intricate framework of Christian belief. In the celestial hierarchy, Michael, Raphael, and Gabriel stand as formidable figures, embodying the essence of protection, healing, and divine revelation. This sacred triumvirate of Archangel Michael, Archangel Raphael, and Archangel Gabriel not only embodies celestial beings, but also functions as profound conduits linking the earthly and divine realms. Their collective influence extends beyond mere symbolism, becoming an intricate tapestry woven into the fabric of believers' lives. In times of joy and tribulation, this celestial trio serves as pillars of strength, offering solace and guidance to those navigating the complexities of life and faith. In their harmonious interplay, these archangels become beacons of strength, offering believers a reservoir of fortitude and divine guidance. Trust in their celestial intervention becomes an anchor for the faithful, instilling a sense of security as they traverse the intricate tapestry of faith. As believers invoke their names, the triumvirate becomes a source of inspiration, illuminating the spiritual path and fostering a deep and unwavering connection between mortal existence and the transcendent realms of the divine.